Welcome to this product demo, which has been designed to guide you through our international payments platform. This software allows you to easily send, receive, convert and store currencies from around the world. Send and receive overseas payments and improve efficiency, streamline your process and reduce your costs. The service is FCA regulated and works across desktop and mobile. This video will take you through the process for sending and receiving money. We'll then move on to paying people within the platform. Finally, we'll look at how to access and top up your funds. So let's get started. First step, log in on your desktop or mobile. You'll be prompted to answer some security questions. Once in, you'll see your dashboard, which simply shows an overview of the current status of the account. You can see your current balances at the top, pending transactions and recent payments at the bottom, and quick access buttons to popular activities, including conversions and payments, in the middle. The first thing we want to show you is how to book a transaction. First, go to the menu and select Convert. When you're on this page, type or scroll to find the currency you'd like to sell and the currency you'd like to buy. Select whether you'd like to fix the buy amount or the sell amount, and enter your figure. When you're happy, press Select a date. You'll then be able to select the date of your conversion. It's important to choose a date when you'll be able to get the funds into our account to ensure there are no delays to your transaction. When you're ready, press Get a quote. You'll then have 20 seconds to review the quote details, including the amount you'll be selling and the amount you're buying, the exchange rate, the settlement date and time, and conversion date. Don't worry, 20 seconds is plenty to check everything thoroughly. But if you do exceed the 20 seconds, you'll still have a chance to re-quote. When you're sure everything is correct, press I'm happy with this quote. Then click Convert. And that's it. You've now booked your first conversion. The exchange rate has been fixed, so no matter how the market shifts, you know exactly what your rate is. You'll be sent an email confirming your transaction and next steps. Now, simply scroll down to view the payment options you can use to pay for the conversion, using the details you've been given in the trade confirmation email. All you need to do is transfer the money, and the conversion will settle as soon as we receive your funds. This transaction can be viewed by going into the search function via the menu. You'll see all your conversions in here. Next, we'll show you how to add a beneficiary to your account. First, go to the menu and select Beneficiaries. To add someone new, select Add. Enter a memorable nickname. This will be the name displayed within your account, so it's important to make it personalised for each beneficiary. The nickname is for your internal use only and does not appear on any payment instructions. Enter the payee's country and their bank account's country. Select their currency and enter their name, whether it's a business or a person. Then select company or individual. When you're happy with the details, select Provide bank account details. You can then select regular or priority, depending on the urgency of your typical payment to them. Enter the account details you've been given for the payee. Then click Validate Beneficiary. Our beneficiary validation software then works behind the scenes to check that key characteristics are correct. Check all the details you've provided are correct, and when you're happy, select Create Beneficiary. And that's it. You've now created a beneficiary. If you'd like to pay them straight away, you can do so directly from this page by scrolling to the bottom and selecting Pay. Then, all you need to do is select the currency you'd like to pay them. Enter the amount to pay and select Payment Date. Choose the date you'd like the funds to be paid. Enter a reason for payment, for example, invoice and a payment reference, such as invoice number. Choose Priority or Regular, depending on the urgency of this payment. Then click Review Payment. Give the details you've entered the once-over to check they're correct. And click Create Payment. Job done. You've created a beneficiary and booked a payment to them. If there are sufficient funds in your account, you don't need to do anything else. If your account balance is short, you'll need to add funds before the payment can complete. When the payment is made, you'll be sent a confirmation email. To make a payment to an existing beneficiary, use the Beneficiaries tab on the left. Select Pay for the beneficiary you wish to pay. Then follow the same process as making a payment directly after creating a beneficiary. Enter the amount and go through to select a payment date. Include a payment reason and reference, and review. Check the details are correct before creating the payment. Review the completed details before heading back to the dashboard. To view the details of any payment, simply head to Search. You'll see all your payments in here. Click on the relevant reference. The details of the payment can be viewed here. Your live account balance will always sit at the top of the page, giving you insight wherever you are in the platform. You can also access your account balance by selecting Balances in the menu. Here, you can see the amount of each currency you have available in your account. Easily pay a beneficiary, convert into another currency, or top up your balances from this page. To access the account's payment details, just select Fund New Currency. As soon as the money arrives in your account, your live balance will be updated, ready to store or send on to a beneficiary. And that's it. Today, we've gone through how to send and receive foreign currency around the world. Now you're ready to send, receive and convert currencies easily and speedily, or store funds for future payments. We hope you enjoy using this platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.